Hello everybody, welcome to Pamela's Creations, and today I have a Beebeecraft unboxing. They sent me some product to review on my channel. I will put the coupon code across the screen here. If you have 100 subscribers or more, you could participate in their YouTube program as long as you have content and views. I will also link down in the description box the YouTube program and the website, so please go check them out, and thank you again Beebeecraft for letting me review your products. So see how well it's packaged, very well, very tight. I'm going to open this up. I will be right back. Okay, first I would like to show you how well this is packed up and secured. It's all in bubble wrap. I love that. And so we can undo this. 1 second. Oh my goodness, look how well this was packed and secured. This is amazing to me. I love how they package their stuff. And here's my invoice on things I got. So let's take a look here. So the first thing I got was these diamond painting keychains. It comes with everything you need to diamond paint. So here are the beautiful drills, and I thought these were so adorable. They have everything you need to make the keychain, the hooks, the chain, everything. So these are it. Aren't these pretty? And my daughter just started diamond painting. Aren't those adorable? And you get the wax, the tray, and the drill pin. I will set that aside right here. Let's see here, I'll move this out of the way. The next thing I got were these. Got these colors here. Aren't those beautiful? Little pearl beads. Alright, look at these beautiful beads. You can use them any time of the year. I thought they were adorable. I think they're like 4mm maybe? Oh no, these are 6mm. Perfect. I couldn't remember. And they are just 6mm beads. Different color beads. Next thing I got were these spacers, different style spacers, and it has this nice case, and it has plastic to cover so it doesn't make a mess when it's out to ship. So they did that. I couldn't remember what I ordered, so I'm pretty excited. This is like Christmas for me. Different spacers, and they have it in a plastic bag. Look at that, isn't that nice? Different styles of spacers, which I don't have in my stash, and I wanted to make some tassels and do some other things with these. I love it comes in a nice case. Got were these here, and these are different different spacer beads. Comes with this really secure bag. There's quite a bit in here. These are different beads, spacers. Look how beautiful those are. So pretty. And let's take a look at this. I thought this was super fun. So, again, it's secured with wrapping. I ordered these little bulbs with They're glass, so they come like this. These are the tops. And they have a hole right there. And then it's these little glass bulbs. Oh, not glass, I'm sorry, they're plastic. Even better. And you fill them up. I thought that was so cool. I like how it was all bubble wrapped and secured. And then it comes with all this glitter. So we got silver, and we got blue. I like that blue. And we got like a goldish color maybe. We got a red and a green and a pink. And I'm really excited about putting these together, and then you can add a dangle on it as well. And I like how it came in a plastic bag. Alright everyone, so this was my Beebeecraft unboxing. I will have a couple videos to follow. I hope you will go check them out and apply for their YouTube program so you can review their products that they send to you. It's a great way to get some free items and to make and just go out of the box and create something. All right, everyone, please take care, stay safe, and God bless. Bye, everyone.